Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. These are some food service shoes, and we'll get them in here. And so this is what they look like here. I think I got black ones, I guess. I don't even know if there was a choice, but you can see there, this is the brand here. But these are them, and if you look at these are, fairly not so stylish necessarily, but they look like they'd be comfortable. So let's give them a try. Here. Aim you guys down so you can see my feet. So I wear size 8, and these are a 40. So 40 must be a size 8. And these are really comfortable. I mean, wow, they got a lot of padding on them, and they're really squishy. So they're really nice. Nice shoes. You can see them from all the angles on my lovely feet. Let's see, I'll show you guys a little bit more about them here. We'll take one of them off. Boy, I want to wear these all day. But okay, so I actually probably will. But you see here, it's got it's got the harder plastic, like a Croc or something like that here, and then it's got a rubbery texture here. So this is what makes it stick. So I can kind of feel like I can't really slide my feet on my floor because of this type of thing here. So if you're looking for ones to just slide across, these aren't going to do it. But if you want to have good sure footing, especially when it's wet and stuff, this is the way to do it. Which I guess this is why these are good for food service. So if you're walking along on greasy floors and stuff, this will probably give you some traction. So it's nice, and you see it's like a nice waterproof sealed in one here. And in here we have the insert. You can see it's got a little bumps on it. I guess that's gave it a little bit of comfort here, and it's got like air flow through it, through those little holes. And then it's got this padding, so it's kind of like almost memory foam. It's kind of a good foam. And then you've got the insert here, the inner lining here, which is just like a regular shoe. So you could actually wear it without these probably if you didn't want to, or switch those out if they get too yucky. But these are really nice shoes. They don't really have much smell to them. I'm surprised. I would think with being all the plastic, it would have like a more chemically smell, but nah. And they're all the way down at your feet anyway. So, but this is how they are. They're somewhat flexible, and they are nice shoes. So these are good. I'm probably going to wear them as I stand up and do videos all day because, heck, they're comfortable. So thumbs up for me.